So in today's video, we are going to be attempting to sublimate some Amazon Apple Watch bands. So if you want to see how I do it, just keep watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about crafting on a budget. I do Cricut sublimation videos. If any of those things interest you, please consider subscribing, joining my YouTube family, and let's jump into the video. So we're going to be working in Sawgrass Creative Studio. I'm going to be typing in Apple Watch to find a template for the watch band. And then I am going to go into the gallery and upload my design. I am uploading 2 designs because I'm not sure which one I want to work with. So I'm doing this kind of like bubblegum color, like tie-dye. And then I'm doing this floral pattern as well. Then I'm going to click on it and it's going to pop up on the right side where the template's at, and you can take the corners and drag it to kind of make it bigger, or you can click on the lock aspect ratio and then you'll be able to kind of freeform it and adjust it however you like. I kind of regret not going with this design. I think it would have been much prettier than this other one, but I chose the other one. And I'm going to click on print. I'm going to choose my settings. These are my go-to settings whenever I am printing with my Sawgrass printer. I'm going to hit print and it's going to go to my Sawgrass print manager, and I'm just going to make sure that all the settings are correct. I just played with the color a little bit to just get a different blue or pink than I originally had. And then once I am satisfied, I am just going to hit print and it's going to go directly to my Sawgrass to print. So we're going to need our Easy Press mat because I'm going to use the Easy Press for this one. I'm going to put some craft paper underneath so that my mat is protected and won't get ink on it. This is how our Apple Watch band looks. So it comes with both straps. It comes with this part too. You can sub on this as well, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to leave it white. So I'm putting that to the side. These are the 2 pieces we're going to be subbing on. It also comes with the hardware for it. So we'll put it together. We'll assemble it together. So I am undecisive between this design and kind of like a tie-dye design. So this one's beautiful, but it's not, I don't think you're going to be able to really see the flowers inside of it, you know what I mean? So maybe we'll do this one, and we're just going to line it up where we want it. Maybe like right there. We're going to take some heat tape. Take some heat tape and just tape it down. Okay, so now we have that all set and ready to go. So now we're going to flip it over and we're going to get some butcher paper to protect our heat press. And so we're going to take our butcher paper, put it on top. Then we're going to take our Cricut Easy Press and press at 665 degrees for 60 seconds. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to lift it up now. Okay, so we're gonna lift up our paper and gonna lift this up really. Okay, so we're gonna let them cool down a little bit and then we're gonna pun the hardware on them. Okay, we're gonna pun the hardware on it. It didn't come with instructions, so 2 of them are the same size. I'm assuming one of them goes through here. This way with that, there's a button here that clips, and I'm pretty sure it goes on that side. How are you able? Oh, okay. So it kind of clips in too. So as you're pressing it, it like goes in. Almost. Cool. There you go. Okay, got one of it. So I'm assuming there's a small one. So that's okay, so we're gonna do the same thing with the other side. Okay, so now we just have to pun this metal part, which is gonna go in here. Oh, okay, so you put it through here, but not all the way because this needs to go in there. So you put it through that, and then you put it back through the hole to the other side, and then somehow we put this. So I picked the wrong design to do on them because, I mean, they're cute. So here's my thing with these. These metal pieces are so hard to put on. Like, I struggled for a long time punning these pieces on. Like, I really did. So keep that in mind, and you really got to look at an old Apple Watch band to know the correct way to like pun the things out on here as well. And then you gotta, I punned this part wrong too. It should go the other way, so keep that in mind as well. They do sublimate well. They're just, I don't know, maybe I'm just used to, like, I have like the Nike type one that comes with the Nike watches, and I don't know, I'm used to more durable type Apple Watch bands, but these aren't bad. I'm just not used to them. I'm used to these types, but they would be a good gift for someone if someone has an Apple Watch that you know. So yeah, let me know if you guys try them out. Just be aware these are hard to put on. So yes, let me know down below if you guys try them out. Do you guys like them? I didn't really like them, but do you like them? And let me know down below if there's any videos you want to see me record, or you want anything you want to see me try. Let me know down below if you want me to try doing a live video where we do sublimation together, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.